सांग्रंसालो बुबाग्राखर आगलिनि जानमारि आमचायो एयारटेल डाटा सेन्टार संजानानि बागै थाई बासि जाखा अचाई कमताई सावै मताई रिजाखा नर्थ ईस्टनि बिसिंगो त्रिपुरा हास्टेवनो पुइला अयाप्ली ओ सालो मानजाखा हास्टेनि मन्त्री अक्रा डॉक्टर मानिक साहा मन्त्री प्रणजित सिन्हा रय आकर्षण मन्त्री अक्रा डॉक्टर मानिक साहा सावैक नारिका आशक साल कलक मारोमै जों फातार हानि नाहारिमा तंगमानि ताबु हास्टेवो डाटा सेन्टार अंखे हास्टेनि डाटा बेबाग हास्टेनो हुयै तनेवै माननाय हिनि बसाका आबुनि बागै बेबाग हास्टेवनो डाटा सेन्टार संजानानि थाङै दंगो हाकतनि मन्त्री अक्रा नरेन्द्र मोदी।
Recently, the Good Governance Department has organized Purba Pravasi Tripuravashi Summit. As you already know, some of them were there or through newspaper also they have come to know. We had expected 75 persons will be coming across the world, but the 86 eminent persons of Tripura origin who are settled across the world had attended that conference. Most of them are engaged in IT sector. You will be glad to know, and they have expressed their willingness to invest in Tripura. There is growing demand for plug and play facilities for startups who are growing into successful enterprises. I am pleased to know that the IT department under the leadership of Honorable Minister Pranajit Singh Rai is planning to set up Tripura's second IT park near Agartala. Suitable plot of land is being identified for this purpose. So in conclusion, Tripura, backed by its progressive data center policy and the strategic advantage of hosting India's third international internet gateway, is well poised to emerge as a major data center and IT hub in the northeastern region. The proposed establishment of state-of-art center by Airtel, along with the planned innovation and incubation park, and the proposed Tripura IT and data ecosystem zone reflects the state government's strong commitment to digital transformation, investment promotion, and employment generation in Tripura. With this, I conclude my speech and thank you very much. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki.